This guide covers setting up Poolside with OpenCode through Poolside Inference as well as OpenRouter. Let's start by opening OpenCode in our terminal. With the /connect command, we connect to a provider. Search for and select Poolside. We can generate a Poolside API key at platform.poolside.ai. Click API keys, followed by the New Key button. Next, copy-paste the key to the OpenCode terminal session. OpenCode automatically lists the models that are available. To get started, we select the Laguna XS model. Now that everything is set up, we start a new chat and test that everything is working. Here we prompt it about the architecture of the codebase. It first explores the codebase and then explains the architecture and modules. With the /model command, we can switch to the Laguna M model for our next prompt. We ask it to review the legacy C code for any critical vulnerabilities. It does a deep inspection of our C code and lists the issues it found sorted by severity. Let's instruct it to fix the buffer overflow issue, as that's high severity. After it updates the code, it validates whether everything still compiles, our test suites are all green, and that our changes didn't introduce any new issues. Next, we'll set up OpenCode with Poolside models in OpenRouter. Again, we type /connect, and from there we select OpenRouter. Here it prompts you for an API key. You can generate your API key by visiting your OpenRouter account and clicking API keys. From there, copy your OpenRouter key to the OpenCode Setup dialog and select one of the Poolside Laguna models. Next, start a new chat to see if it all works. Here we ask it a question about the dependencies of the codebase we're in. It explores the codebase and the dependencies of the different modules, as well as the bindings of our C code. Next, we switch to a different Laguna model and ask it whether any of our dependencies are outdated. If there are any outdated dependencies, we select one of the dependencies and prompt the model to update it. We prompt the model to update the Axum package. Also here, it checks whether everything still compiles after it makes the code changes. In this guide, we've set up Poolside with OpenCode via Poolside Inference and OpenRouter.